Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how to install a monolingual dictionary. So for this we're going to go to the Chrome Web Store and we're going to search up Yomitan. So this should pop up and then hit add to Chrome, add extension, and we should get this page, but on the top right we're going to want to pin it. Click here and then click on settings. So we're going to scroll down till we see dictionaries, and then underneath it'll say configure, installed, and enabled dictionaries. So click on that and then go click on import. So on my desktop I have a bunch of monolingual dictionaries and some like a frequency list and a pitch accent dictionary. So I'm going to install 3 things. So I'm going to go to the folder, I'm going to install a frequency list, a monolingual dictionary, and a pitch accent dictionary. And to install these folders have to be zipped. We're just going to hit open, and we're just going to let it import everything. Okay, so once it's done importing everything, it should look like this. You should see a frequency list along with the monolingual dictionary and then a pitch accent dictionary. So we're just going to hit close and then test it out in Netflix. So if there's a word I don't know, all I have to do is just like hover over it, hit shift on my keyboard, and it'll pop up with definition. Sometimes it doesn't always work properly, but here it did. So I can just quickly grab this definition, paste it in a text file, and then get back to watching the show. So another way to use this dictionary is if we go to the top right and we hit the magnifying glass, it'll pop up with this little search bar. And so we can just like take whatever word we want and then input it in, and it'll just be a larger version of what the pop-up dictionary would have shown you. So yeah, here we get the frequency, pitch accent, and the definitions of the word. So this is pretty useful. I personally like using this a lot more than the mini pop-up because it's a lot larger. You can zoom in and you can really see everything. So another add-on I highly recommend you download and get is Language Reactor. So this one's on the Chrome Web Store right here. And this is really good with Netflix. So as you can see right here, I'm using it, I have it on, and I have the subtitle language set to Japanese. And obviously the audio language is Japanese and for the show. And it'll basically just show all the subtitles on the right here, and you could close it if you want, if you just want them at the bottom. Also, it'll show you a list of words used in this episode, and it'll split them off into frequency, so it'll rank like the most common words here at the top, and then as you scroll to the bottom you'll see like the rarest words. And you can also just like hover over them, hit shift to get a monolingual definition of the word. So you can do that, or you could also just take it, copy and paste it, and then put it into a bilingual dictionary. I use gshow.org to get a bilingual definition, but they also do come with their own bilingual definition, so just in case you want to check, see if it's accurate. But I do highly recommend this add-on. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.